If you're trying to choose between PureVPN and Windscribe, you're likely wondering which is the best for streaming enthusiasts and which one offers the best transparency policy. I'll break down the key points you need to know about both and stick around till the end, because after comparing these two, I'll show you a better option that fits your needs even more. Let's start with PureVPN. When it comes to streaming, PureVPN is often praised for its ability to unblock content from streaming giants like Netflix, BBC iPlayer, and Hulu. If streaming is your priority, this VPN delivers fast servers optimized for specific platforms, ensuring that you get seamless access to geo-restricted content. However, the performance isn't always perfect, and there have been occasional reports of slower speeds, depending on the server you connect to. While PureVPN works well for most streaming platforms, the inconsistency with speeds could be a deal breaker for some users. Next, let's talk about Windscribe. While Windscribe doesn't market itself primarily as a streaming VPN, it actually does quite well in this area. It can unblock services like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and even YouTube in certain countries. However, the experience might not be as smooth as pure VPNs, especially if you're looking to access a wide variety of platforms or need high-speed connections. Windscribe shines in terms of its free plan, but that also comes with limitations like fewer server locations and capped data usage, which can restrict streaming for extended periods. Now, let's move to transparency policies. PureVPN has faced some controversy in the past, particularly around a situation where user data was handed over to authorities in 2017. Since then, they've made efforts to improve privacy policies, but it's important to keep in mind that they still have a somewhat murky track record. They've been audited for no-logs claims, but the transparency of their practices isn't as clear-cut as some might like. On the other hand, Windscribe takes a much stronger stance on privacy. Their no-logs policy is more transparent, and they've been transparent about their policies and operations, making them a favorite for users who prioritize privacy. They also publish regular transparency reports, which is a nice touch for users who want to see how their data is handled. While they're very open about their policies, Windscribe is still a smaller player compared to PureVPN, which might make some users wary in terms of security resources. The fourth thing worth mentioning is price. PureVPN offers competitive pricing, but with long-term plans, the cost can add up quickly. Windscribe offers a free tier, which is great if you only need a VPN for light streaming, but the paid version is more affordable, especially with their flexible options. If we're talking about the best for streaming, PureVPN takes the edge here, offering more robust server options and a better overall streaming experience. However, when it comes to transparency, Windscribe leads the pack with its clearer privacy policies and regular transparency reports. Both are good options, but they fall short in certain areas. PureVPN might not be the most transparent, and Windscribe, while great for privacy, doesn't quite match up in the streaming department. Ultimately, both are good choices, but if you're looking for the best of both worlds, superior streaming access and transparency, I'd recommend a better alternative. After testing all of them myself, if you want the ultimate VPN experience, click the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.